Hey, check this out. We have the best schools, the best beaches, and the best place to live and retire. And you're right here in the center of it all. Welcome to your next home. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, clean lines, and almost 2,900 square feet of functional living. Enjoy low-maintenance living with 100 feet of artificial turf. Your own private heated saltwater pool. Perfect for all your gatherings, both day and night. Life is so good in Sarasota, it's almost majestic. Call me for a private tour.